Ready to tap into the explosive growth of Temu and start earning? This is how you become a Temu seller. First, navigate to the Temu website, look for the Sell on Temu or Become a Seller link, usually found at the bottom of the page in the footer. Click on that to start your journey as a Temu merchant. You'll be directed to the seller registration page here. You'll need to provide essential information. This typically includes your email address, a strong password, and details about your business or yourself as a seller. Make sure to enter accurate information, as it will be used for verification and payments. Temu will likely require verification to ensure you are a legitimate seller. This might involve confirming your email address or submitting identification documents. Follow the prompts carefully to complete this crucial step. Once your account is approved, you'll enter your seller dashboard. This is your command center for everything related to your shop. The next critical step is to list your products. Click on Add Product or a similar button. You'll need to craft compelling product titles and descriptions. High-quality images are paramount on Temu, so upload clear, attractive photos of your items. Set competitive pricing, considering both your profit margins and what buyers expect on the platform. Next, configure your shipping settings. Temu offers various shipping solutions, and choosing the right one is key. You'll define your shipping costs and estimated delivery times. Efficient shipping can significantly boost customer satisfaction and repeat business. To maximize your sales, utilize the tools within your seller dashboard. Keep an eye on your orders, manage your inventory to avoid stockouts, and regularly check your sales performance through the analytics section. Understand what's selling well and adjust your strategy. Consider participating in Temu's promotional events and offering discounts or special deals. This can attract more buyers and increase your visibility on the platform. By following these steps and actively managing your shop, you can unlock your earning potential on Temu.